Welcome back, my dear students. In our last class, we started a new lesson, the first lesson of our syllabus, that is A Tiger in the House, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Let's recapitulate it. A Tiger in the House, the story is about relationship between grandfather and a pet. Grandfather found a tiger cub on his hunting expedition in the Tarai jungle. It is near Dehradun. Grandmother named the cub as Timothy. First time grandmother named the cub as Timothy, and Timothy was provided with the two companions. He was having two companions. They are monkey and the mongrel puppy. Here you can see in this picture. So, when Timothy started to spend his days, what difficulty he faced in the house? Let's read and find out how he coped up with everyone in the house. Let's start with third paragraph. See here in the third paragraph. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. He would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. In the beginning time, Timothy was afraiding the puppy. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆದರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. And darted back with a spring if it came too near. If puppy tries to come near of Timothy, it jumps, runs somewhere. He could make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws. ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂಜೆಗಳಿಂದ ಎರಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾರು? ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಪಪ್ಪಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಥಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ರಿಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಟು ridiculously safe distance. Then it go back to a safe distance. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಡು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆದರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. ಫೈನಲಿ ಕೊನೆಗೇನಾಯಿತು? ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಪಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲು ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಹಿ ಅಲೌಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ದೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಅಲೌಡ್ ದ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್. Here you can see in this picture, finally they both become friends. Retreat. The meaning of retreat is go back. In fourth para, one of Timothy's favorite amusements was to stalk anyone who would play with him. And so, when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight, and pretending to bite my ankles. In first line, one of Timothy's favorite amusements was to stalk anyone who would play with him. Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk, to follow anyone who would play with it. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರು ಸಲಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಅವರನ್ನು ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್, ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸು, ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಐ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ one of the tiger's favorites. See here, my dear students, when I came to live with grandfather, here who is I here? Can you guess? Yes, I is Ruskin Bond. I is referring to whom? Ruskin Bond. So when Ruskin Bond came to grandfather's house, he became one of the tiger's favorites because Ruskin Bond used to spend more and more time with it. So then, with crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me. With a deceitful look, with its shiny eyes, ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಕಣ್ಗಳಿಂದ a bending body, Timothy will creep with a slow movement near to Ruskin Bond. It moved slowly and carefully. It used to move slowly and carefully with a deceitful look. ಉಪಾಯದ ನೋಟದಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತನ್ನ ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಕಣ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಾಯದ ನೋಟದಿಂದ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ it used to move. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಫೀಟ್, ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಲೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈಟ್ ಮೈ ಆ್ಯಂಕಲ್ಸ್. ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಉಪಾಯದ ನೋಟದಿಂದ ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಕಣ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತಗ್ಗಿ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತೆವಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಭಸದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳಿಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಉರುಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅವರ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಲೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈಟ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಕಲ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶೋವಿಂಗ್, ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? He was by this time the size of a full-grown retriever, and when I took him out for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. He was by this time the size of full-grown retriever. Retriever is ಬೇಟೆನಾಯಿ, but by this time he was the size of a full-grown retriever. It is a kind of a dog. ಬೇಟೆನಾಯಿ ಥರ ಫುಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತಿತ್ತು. When I took him out for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth. When Ruskin Bond took Timothy out for walks, people used to scare off Timothy. Why? Because it is a wild animal, and then they stay at a safe distance with them. Here, give us a wide berth. This is a idiom. It means to maintain good distance from someone or something. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು. This is a idiom. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. If Timothy pulls his chain hard, Ruskin Bond finds difficult to maintain it or manage it. ಟಿಮೋತಿ ತನ್ನ ಕತ್ತಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಚೈನನ್ನು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಜಗ್ದಾಗ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ರೂಮ್ in a large house where people used to sit and relax. His favorite place in the house was drawing room. Whose? Timothy's. And he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. And he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with a great dignity. What it used to do? ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಸೋಫಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಓರೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It leans, Timothy leans and lie back in a relaxed position with a back support on the sofa with a great dignity. ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟೀಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಓರೆಯಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸೋಫಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ರಿಕ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟಿ. ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಫ್. If anybody tries to send Timothy out, it shows its teeth and became very angry. It roars. Snarling is ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗುರಾಯಿಸುವುದು. Got it, my dear students? Here it grown up now, and if Ruskin Bond take him for walks, next, Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarters and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Timothy had clean habits. Timothy was having very clean habits. It loves to be clean and it used to scrub his face just like how cats does scrub itself with its paws. He slept at night in the cook's quarters and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Timothy always slept at Mahmud's quarters and was always pleased of being sent away by him in the morning. One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. This means as Timothy goes on growing, he gradually changed his behavior. So grandmother declared that in advance. Grandmother's prophecy was that Timothy would one day kill the cook Mahmud and make a meal of him. Why she said this? Because after all it is wild animal, it may make meal of it. It means grandmother warned about Timothy's behavior that one day it may eat up the cook. So here, my dear students, I would like to conclude my session. Here you will be having some questions related to this para what I taught you today. When the boy took Timothy out for walks, why did people in the street give them a wide berth? What is the reason why the people used to give them a wide berth? Answer it. Fifth one, Timothy had an air of superiority about him. Is that true? He have a superiority? True or not true? Write it. Timothy's wild nature came out gradually. Is that true? His wild nature was coming out gradually. Everyone took grandmother's warning seriously. Grandmother's warning, does everyone took it seriously? What changes in Timothy made grandfather decided to